Volvendo is a great Italian agency. It's in Calabria, okay, in Diamante, but it works, let's say, in Italy, from the north to the south. Raffaella Leporini, the manager, she owns the agency and she lives, let's say, in Calabria. But for example, I work for her and I live in Milan. We work with different schools. Okay, the majority of our schools are high schools, and our students they go to England, UK, Spain, France, and then we have that year abroad, usually to the United States or UK. We're very grateful to this event because we met very good, high level, let's say high quality schools, and we're very happy of this chance, these meetings, and since now our job will improve.